Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to see a trigonometric problem in a step-by-step manner. Let's prove the following: cos square a into secant a minus 1 by 1 plus sin a plus secant square a into sin a minus 1 by 1 plus secant a equal to 0. Now let me take the LHS. In place of cos square a, let me write it as cos square a by sin square a into secant a minus 1 by 1 plus sin a, plus in place of secant square a, let me write it as 1 by cos square a into sin a minus 1 by 1 plus secant a. Now let me take the LCM. The entire denominator becomes my LCM, that is sin square a into 1 plus sin a cos square a into 1 plus secant a. Now whatever is not there in the denominator, let me multiply that in the numerator. Here I do not have cos square a and 1 plus secant a. So cos square a into cos square a gives me cos power 4a into secant a minus 1 into secant a plus 1. Here I do not have sin square a and 1 plus sin a. So sin square a into sin a plus 1 into sin a minus 1 by the denominator. Now here cos power 4a, I have a minus b and a plus b. It's nothing but the identity a square minus b square. So secant square a minus 1 plus sin square a into a plus b into a minus b is nothing but a square minus b square, that is sin square a minus 1 by the denominator. Now cos power 4a, secant square a minus 1 is nothing but the tan square a plus sin square a into sin square a minus 1. Now let me take the minus outside. So when I take the minus outside, I will get sin square a into 1 minus sin square a by the denominator. In place of tan square a, let me write sin square a by cos square a. So I'll have cos power 4a into sin square a by cos square a minus sin square a. In place of 1 minus sin square a, I'm going to write cos square a by the denominator. So let me cancel cos square and cos square. So I'm cancelling. So I'm left with sin square a into cos square a minus sin square a cos square a. So these two gets cancelled, which becomes 0. 0 by the denominator gives me 0, which is nothing but my RHS. So friends, was this video useful? Then don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you.